In this video, I will show you how to unlink an Xbox account from your Roblox account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, you do need to be on a PC, and what you want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this gear icon, and from this menu come and click onto settings. Then what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, and in its menu you want to click onto security. From here, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of the security screen, and you're going to see a section here about where you're currently logged in. Now, if you do have your Xbox account linked, it's going to be shown up here, so you'll be able to go in and disconnect. There should be like a disconnect button. Mine's not showing up as I've already unlinked my account, but this way you would come to basically unlink your Xbox account from your Roblox account. So that is how to unlink Xbox account from Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.